What is going on, guys? GregglesTV. This is the ZeroLemon battery case for the Galaxy S10 Plus. It's 40 bucks. They also have it for the other Galaxy 10s if you want to get it as well. There's a few things to keep in mind. So in the past, wireless charging has worked with this. It no longer does. So in order to charge it, you have to plug it in via the USB Type-C. The battery inside here is 5,000 milliamps, but it does not fast charge the Galaxy S10 Plus. So if you want to be able to, quick charge this device, you will not be able to do that. Also, like you can see, it's a little bit thick, has a little bit of a bump on the bigger half of this where you hold the phone, and then at the top it's fairly skinny. Also, you're going to get about 80% battery life from this, meaning if you get 100% battery from your phone and then add another 80 with this case, you're getting about 180% battery life, meaning just if, for instance, I get about anywhere now between 4 to 5 hours of battery life with my phone, if I add another 80% to that, you can add about 3.5 hours extra battery life. So I would potentially get maybe 7-8 hours of battery life with this case. And when you want to plug it in, what you just do is angle the USB-C port down towards the bottom of the case and make sure it kind of plugs in, and then that's really it. And it will just, sit into your phone like that. It does add some extra weight, so if you're holding your phone all the time, you're definitely going to feel the weight of this case. It's fairly heavy. The ports at the bottom are all accessible. They just don't go away or anything. There's no flaps. So you can still access the headphone jack, the USB-C, and the speakers. And then when you want to get this case charging your phone, all you do is just tap it. It gives you 4 LED indicator lights to tell you how much battery life is left in this case. So I have 100%, obviously, because there's 4 up here. And again, it doesn't fast charge, but you can see how fast it's going to charge your phone. You can see mine's going to charge, it's at 26%, and I'm going to charge fully in 2 hours and 10 minutes. So if you just use this as kind of like a charger, you can see that's going to charge kind of fast, kind of slow, I guess, depending upon how you look at it. 2 hours, I guess, isn't too bad to fully charge your phone up. If you're using your phone, though, like playing games and just using the phone overall, obviously the battery percentage probably won't go too far up. It's probably just going to drain from this case battery first before anything. So the buttons and things on the case, in case you're worried about that, they work pretty good. You don't have to press with too much pressure or anything like that when you use them. A little bit, but not too bad. I guess the things to just keep in mind, and then the back of it is also protected fairly for the most part, is weight. That's one thing to be concerned with. You're gonna get, your hand's gonna get tired for the most part if you're holding this all the time, unless your wrist is very well worked out. It's kind of thick, obviously. But where it comes out to be a lifesaver, at least the way I feel, is when you're using it maybe at a concert, or you're going to be gone for the whole day, and you're not going to be next to a charger. It definitely has a lot of good use cases. At 40 bucks, it's actually fairly reasonably priced, I feel like. Protection-wise on the front, it's okay. I'd be a little concerned if I dropped it face down. I feel like it might crack, but it's not too bad. Other than that, yeah, if you want to pick it up, I'll link it down below. I'm kind of in the middle. I'm not a huge battery case lover, unless it's, fits into my lifestyle, which I'm always at home, so I generally don't need it. But if you're someone that's active, that's always out, and you don't feel like always being next to a charger or carrying around one of those battery chargers, this is perfect because it holds your phone, and it's a case, and it's a battery all in one. Yeah. So check it out, guys. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you down the road. Peace!